Hey everyone, my name is Taufik Akiwande, your online host. I help people in an updated information on how to make money online and how to become millionaire in a short time. So, in today's class, we are going to look at how to make beautiful photo using AI images. How to make beautiful photos using an automated bot called AI images, and I'm going to also show you how to make money using this in this business of photo. Then I'm going to also highlight how to remove the watermarks. So without much ado, let's go into the system. Yes, the first thing is, if you don't have the application we are going to use is called Remini. If you don't have it, before you go to a Play Store, then you look for Remini. Look at it, Remini. This is it here. No, sorry, this is it here. This is it here, not this. It's Remini, you can see it. So you click on it, when you click on it, it will take you to this. So but if you are opening, if you subscribe for the first time, it will take you through some instructions that you should fill. If it is a male, you fill if you are a male, and you have to upload at least 8 pictures of the person whom you want to make photo for. You have to upload his 8 pictures already on your gallery. You must have downloaded 8 pictures of that person, if it's a male or a female. You can ask your customer to send you a selfie photo. They can take it on their phone, about 8 different type of photo. So if you are selecting, you select your best, the best first, followed by the second best, like that till you get to the 8th ones. So there are several things you can do using this. So you can enhance your photo. So you click on enhance, you pick any photo. Let me look for a one bad photo. So then we enhance it. Let me take this. Then you click on enhance. It will upload. It will take some time. You wait to enhance. What is enhancement? Enhancement means to make the photo look more beautiful, to make it look more brighter. You see, I don't want this video to be too lengthy, so that I can upload to all my friends. So to allow it to finish its work, see, look at the pictures. You can see the difference. Look at after, look at before. You can see there is different. Look at. So that is just it. If you like it, you can. If you want to upload it, you click on this button here. Click on this button here, and you upload it into your gallery. So but I don't need it now, so I will just delete it, and we move to the next step. So now you exit. So the next one is this, the main one. If you AI photo, you click on AI photo, you can see it here. Then you click on this, and you pick the photo. No photo here, you click on this plus sign. You pick a model pictures. You click on this. Then if it is a male or a female, you select the gender. But now I have only male pictures on my gallery. So these are templates you have to pick on. if you are doing it for the first time, it will ask you to upload 8 pictures. So but because I've done it before, I'm using my own pictures for this training. I have it already on the system. I don't need to go through that again. So I'll just have to pick a template which I want my pictures to look like, to resemble. So there are a lot of templates you can select from. See, it's uploading. Let me take from any of this. So without wasting much of our time, I want to look like somebody. I want a brighter something that looks brighter. So let me take this. Yes, I like this. I should use this model image. Yes, use it. You click on it. So, and that is it. So without wasting much time, because it will take time before you finish loading, like 6 minutes before it finish, and I cannot, this will, so it's saying something, hope something went wrong. So that should be network. So but let's pick another one. So I've used this one before. Let me show you how it looks like after. Let me show you how it looks like. So after I've done it, let me take you to my gallery and show you how it looks like when you pick that template. You pick that template, this is how it will look like. So let's see. Look at, see it. This is how it looks like. I'm very sure it's very beautiful. Yes, another thing is that it will come with this Remini watermarks, and if you are doing it for a customer, you not like, anybody will like to see the way it will look amateur. So what you just do is you can use InShot to crop it, or you use your ordinary phone crop to. So for what you do, you click on, like for me, my phone, I will just crop it. You click on the crop, you crop it, you remove it like this, then you can adjust it to your taste, then you save it. That's all. See, it's gone. Look at it now. It is saved. Look at it, it's already saved on my phone, so nobody will know that. So this is it. You can send it to your friends. So these other ones I make, this one is another one which it can do. It can make it a wedding, can make it, you see, can make you look like a as just wedded. There are so many things you can do with it. So it's very, very interesting things to work with. So that is that. If you have any questions, now there are 3 things we have done. We have shown ourselves how to enhance our pictures, how to make a high image, and how to crop or remove the watermarks, which are all the things I told you. So when you are with this, you can exploit other uses of the applications. So now, how do you now make money in it? Please listen to this part, it's very important. How do you now make money? It's very simple. So you can go to your church or your mosque, those people that you know that they are very influential, they are influential people, they are influencers. You can snap their pictures just with your phone, about 8 different types of their, you snap them, then after some time you now make it, you now do what, you make the higher pictures, then you print it out and go and give them. Some of them will value it and they will give you a lot of money, so they can give you 20, 30. So but if you cannot do that, because that one is very risky, where the economic is very bad. Some people might not need pictures now, so you can advertise it, that you see, because you can advertise it on your WhatsApp, that you make pictures and you show samples of these pictures, on your WhatsApp TV, and people who are interested will DM you and you bargain. The minimum for one picture is 5,000 naira, because you also pay. So because for you to have quality pictures, you use the pro versions, and pro versions can only give you free for the first few days. So after that, if you do what, you have to pay, and they charge you for 1 week. For 1 week, I think it's 4,000 plus, 4,000 naira plus you have to pay. So but the system, how we use it free. I use it free. All this while I've been using it, but I'm using it free. The logic I use is that because they give you an opportunity of a week free use, or at least 5 days free. So I will use it. After the second or third day, I will go there and unsubscribe myself. You are free to unsubscribe yourself. Then when else I need it again, I will still subscribe again. So before the day elapse, I will unsubscribe myself. That's the logic I've been using, and I've been using it successfully. So you can do this. That's it. If you make 5 pictures a day or in a week, you know what that means. 5,000 times 5, that's 25,000 naira. So if you keep this as a business, you can make more money. People are making money with it. It's another passive way of making money. And even if you are not making money, you can use it. For those of us working online, you can use it as your profile pictures and make your brand new, very neat, and people will respect you. So the way you present yourself is the way people see you, and people will not buy from those people who look shabby. So that's it. See you in the next class. Thank you. Keep winning.